Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and want to download any kind of app on your phone, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your settings, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone, and guys after doing this, simply you need to check that you have login your Apple ID or not. So guys, if not, first of all you need to log in your Apple ID, and guys if not have Apple ID, you need to create your new Apple ID on your iPhone. And guys after doing this, simply you need to open your App Store here. And guys after this, here you need to search the app that you want to download. So guys, for example, I am going to download WhatsApp Business. So guys, simply you have to search that app, and guys you will find this type of interface. So guys, as you can see, simply you need to click on that WhatsApp, and guys here is the option of download. You need to click on this tab, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see this app is going to download on my iPhone. So guys, easily you can do this. You can download many of apps on your iPhone without any hassle. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.